The TOURIT 260L folding utility wagon impresses with its enormous capacity, capable of handling loads up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for carrying heavy items during outdoor activities. When not in use, this wagon conveniently folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store in small spaces like car trunks or closets. Its robust construction, featuring all-terrain wheels and a durable frame, ensures smooth and reliable movement across various surfaces such as mud, grass, and gravel. Setting up the wagon is incredibly simple, thanks to its one-hand fold design, allowing users to collapse it swiftly without any assembly required. The adjustable handle design enhances user comfort by allowing easy modification of the handle length to suit different user heights, thus preventing unnecessary bending. TOURIT has designed this wagon with user convenience in mind, including thoughtful additions like mesh cup holders to keep beverages secure and within easy reach.